Snip. Got it.
Oh, you did it. Shalom.
I thought you said go. So I'm gonna call up Brad because we need to get ready, okay?
Hi, Shalom.
Hi.
You look gorgeous.
You look amazing. That red color is fire, like actually, literally.
I love your hair. Let me see that hair.
Thank you so much. I got someone that could like make me braided wigs. It was life-changing.
I thought I'd be teaching you hair today, but it looks like you're gonna teach me some hair.
Yes. How is it going? How is quarantine treating you?
It's been a long time, so I'm ready to start being normal again, but what about you? How do you feel?
I am excited. I want to come back with like a whole new look, you know, like a whole
nice.
new look.
I'm ready for a new makeup look because the clubs are calling my name. I can hear them out the window.
We going outside.
I'm so ready. I'm ready to teach you some stuff about hair. I'm ready to get a look on these eyes. Why don't we go look at what Target sent us and open these boxes? I feel like it's Christmas.
I'm ready for it too. Let's do it.
I love me some Hot Tools.
This is actually my favorite makeup brush from Target.
This feels like silk.
Oh my God.
This is actually something I put in these boxes. I just love having plants all around my house.
Scissors.
Oh, these are cute. Hairspray, oh, my favorite. I love hairspray.
I used to hate blush, but like when I really started to realize what blush does to the skin, I was like, yes.
We got a leave-in conditioner.
I literally don't put any product in my hair.
Shalom, we need to use product every time we do our hair.
Just put me on the game, okay? This is a lip plumper. I think I should try it.
Okay, let's do it. We'll have to see what happens.
Right. Lip bar is actually Black owned. Yo, my lips right now.
They're feeling like they're getting bigger, and I do like it.
Should I have done this? And this is from Beauty Bakery, another Black owned brand in Target. These are so gorgeous. It's the pigment for me. Yeah.
I'm like swatching all of them.
Gorgeous.
We got to the end of the box.
Yes.
We did it. Well, let's grab all this stuff. Let's head into our studios and let's do some hair and makeup. You ready?
Okay, let's go.
What look are we going for?
So I've been seeing a lot of like the feathery looking bangs because it's not fully bangs, but it's just like nice and feathery. Please teach me how to get it.
So I love that because I am a huge fan of curtain bangs right now. Let's take our T-pins and let's put one in the front center on the lace, on the edge of the lace, and then one on each side near where the ears would be.
Got it.
Beautiful, beautiful. Give this a little spritz, especially on the top of the hair, where the part would be. Now comb the hair back. You're doing a fabulous job, Shalom. I'm very proud of you already.
Thank you. My nerves are calming down a little.
So you go right from the part and go vertically over, and that'll give you a nice little triangle.
See, I don't think I learned this part in cosmetology school.
So you went to cosmetology school?
Yeah, I went for like a few months.
And what happened? What's the story?
My YouTube channel blew up. I was really happy to be there. I think my favorite part about hair is probably coloring.
I love color as well, and it's just, I feel like it's the most creative. Cutting hair is almost like architecture, whereas color is like, you know, painting a picture.
Exactly.
We're actually at the cutting section. Are you ready for this? Are you ready?
Kind of, sort of. Bring it on.
Don't feel too much pressure, but this is a wig and the hair does not grow back. So we're just gonna cut straight across and take a deep breath before you do it.
Okay. Snip. Got it.
Oh, you did it. Shalom.
I thought you said go.
You beat me to it. So we are going to over direct. We're gonna take one side of the hair, comb it to the opposite side. You're killing it, Shalom, you're killing it.
I'm gonna cry if this doesn't come out perfect.
In 3, 2, 1. Comb it back into place, and you should have a slight graduation from shorter hair to longer hair towards the ears.
I see it. You see it? Wait, look at it.
You did it!
That looks so good. Question.
Yeah.
Have you ever accidentally botched somebody's haircut?
Luckily, before I went to hair school, I grew up in my father's salon. My dad would teach me how to do hair, how to cut hair, how to color hair before I ever went to school.
Wow. You are like a pro.
Just slowly take really little cuts and drag my fingers down as we go.
I did it.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We're now going to dry the hair. We can just open the clamp and then just wrap the hair like you would with a wand. All right, just wait a few seconds and then you can drop it out. Yay!
Okay, that looks better.
I mean, like, how did you come up on YouTube? How did that all happen?
It was a journey. One day I just happened to like come across a YouTube video of this girl doing makeup and I was like, what? But I didn't see anyone that looked like me. So, you know, I'm like, cool, I want to make a YouTube video and stuff. People were just kind of wondering like what happened to my face. And so I decided to like do a little story time and talk about it. And then my channel just started getting attraction. How about you?
I guess where it all started was the same kind of thing, and I always knew I wanted to be a YouTuber. I mean, I started posting on YouTube when I was 13 or so, but you know, then hair took over my life and I never knew how to like combine the two. One day, I posted this video called Hairdresser Reacts, which has now become synonymous with my name, I think.
Wow.
I began posting 5 days a week after that and just really putting everything into it.
Wow.
I was probably like 21 or 22, and I'm 26 now.
Look at that.
Oh my God, those look better than mine.
Oh, please stop it.
All right, let's clean up this hair stuff. I'm gonna get this all organized and bring out some makeup, and we'll get started.
Yes, let's do it. Are you ready?
I've never been more ready.
What is it that you are looking for?
Some dramatic eye makeup. Like, I'm not afraid of a good eye. I wanna get better with eyeliner, really.
Okay, I got you, don't worry. So we're gonna go ahead and take the Beauty Bakery palette, take this color,
Okay.
just dust it off a little, period. And you're going to kind of make a line, but instead of like going straight out like this, we're gonna kind of take it up like so.
So it's snatched.
Yeah, so take it up to give you that like lifted eye look. Don't worry, we're gonna clean it up a little. I know you're like, whoa.
Okay. Beauty to me is someone having the confidence to be true to themselves. And I always think of beauty as very outward and like as well as inward. And I think if you are able to just do the things you want to do and wear the things you want to wear and be who you want to be, I think that is so extremely beautiful. From the outward beauty and the confidence on the outside, they get that inward beauty with just feeling themselves.
Yeah.
How has it been being a Black woman in this industry for you, Shalom?
When I started getting into makeup, you know, I'll go to the store to get makeup and the darkest shade that they have available at the time would be like something that is 3 shades lighter than I was, right? And I got so used to wearing foundation that were lighter than me that when I finally got a foundation that was my shade, I hated it because I told myself that this made me look too dark, that I shouldn't look like that, you know? So now I'm basically dealing with self-hate. Like, I hated my skin for being dark. There has been a lot of change in the industry, but we still got a long way to go. This is something that I say on the end of my video, is to really just encourage loving yourself. Find a way to love and celebrate yourself, even when, you know, the beauty standard isn't doing that. How about you? You're like, I'm so focused right now.
I'm not breathing. There's no breathing going on.
You're like, okay.
So, I mean, I always say at the end of all my videos, live your extra life. And as corny as it sometimes sounds, I really do want people to live their extra life, which means like, be exactly who you want to be, exactly who you are. Don't care about what people think of you. More people can be like that and think like that. I think we'd have a much cooler, accepting world.
It takes time to like get that self-love, but it's fine, you know? As long as you are actually working on it and you're not just watching what everybody else is doing and saying, oh, I want to be this person.
I just literally, I got mascara all over myself.
Are we starting all over?
It's fine, I got Q-tips. All right, Shalom, I cannot wait to see your look in 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! Are you kidding? Wait, what?
Can you believe that? It looks really good. I love this. Thank you for being a good teacher.
Okay, give me some poses. Shalom, I can't believe the day's over. It went by so fast.
Brad, I learned so much today from you. Thank you so much for teaching me all this stuff.
It's been such a great day hanging out with you, and I feel like we're newfound friends now, if I can say that.
Yes. And shout out to Target for bringing us together, and I cannot wait to come see you in New York.
All right,
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I had such a magical, wonderful time with Shalom. You can get all the Target stuff featured in today's episode with the link right up there. Be sure to subscribe to Target's YouTube channel. Also, make sure you check out more episodes of Let's Target now.